Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Garden Profiler. If you're looking for ways to turn your apartment garden into a personal retreat, then today's episode is for you. We're diving deep into simple yet impactful decoration ideas to enhance your apartment gardening experience. From cozy seating to decorative planters, water features, and lots more. I'll share tips to transform your space safely and beautifully. Let's get started. Adding a cozy spot to sit and enjoy your plants makes your garden a functional space. Use sturdy, water-resistant chairs and pair them with soft cushions or throw blankets for extra comfort. Always opt for sturdy seating that can handle outdoor use and won't tip over easily. If you're using a table, ensure it's balanced, especially if placed on an uneven surface. An outdoor rug can define your garden space and add warmth to your setup. Look for weather-resistant, non-slip rugs that are easy to clean and won't shift underfoot. Make sure your rug is secured to avoid any tipping hazards, especially in small spaces or on slippery surfaces. Decorative planters are an easy way to inject color and personality into your garden. Choose pots in a mix of textures, colors, or patterns that complement your space. DIY your planters to make them uniquely yours. Repurpose items like jars or tins, or paint terracotta pots for a fun weekend project. If you're enjoying the content so far, why not subscribe to the Garden Profiler? Your support helps us create even better videos and bring more of the gardening inspiration you love straight to your screen. Thank you for being part of our growing community. Lighting transforms your garden into a magical space at night. String lights, solar-powered lanterns, or LED candles can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Always ensure your lights are outdoor rated and follow your apartment safety guidelines for using electrical items outdoors. Small statues and water features bring a sense of tranquility to your garden. Look for lightweight, compact options that fit well in apartment spaces. Choose water features that are easy to maintain and avoid overloading your balcony with heavy items. Wall art and vertical gardening are great for adding visual interest without taking up floor space. Use lightweight pieces like metal art or macrame hangers to decorate your walls. Always secure items properly and avoid drilling into walls if you're renting. Use damage-free hooks or freestanding racks to stay lease friendly. Wind chimes and mobiles can create movement and intrigue. Choose materials that match your garden's aesthetic, like wood, metal, or glass. Position wind chimes where they can catch the breeze but won't disturb neighbors if you're in close quarters. Upgrade your floor with easy-to-install interlocking tiles or weather-resistant mats. These add a polished, cohesive look to your garden. Choose materials that are slip resistant and durable, especially in areas exposed to rain or watering. And there you have it, simple yet stunning ways to elevate your apartment gardening experience. From cozy seating to decorative planters and soothing water features, these ideas will make your space feel like a true oasis. Don't forget to prioritize safety with secured rugs, sturdy furniture, and non-slip surfaces. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more inspiration from the Garden Profiler. Happy gardening, and I'll see you next time.